Good morning, student. I am OP Khan, teacher of MGSS Darbhanga, class 3rd, subject science, chapter 4, chapter name birds. Dear student, I taught you yesterday about feathers of bird. Today, I will teach you nests of birds. A bird's home is called a nest. Birds build nests to lay their eggs. Chicks comes out of the eggs. A nest protects the eggs and the chicks. Birds build nests with different things like twigs, cotton, threads, leaves, straw or grass. Different birds build different types of nests. Nests of birds. Penguins nest, crows nests, beavers nest, woodpeckers nests. The woodpecker uses its beak to peck into tree trunks and makes a hole for a nest. The tailor birds use its beaks like a needle to sew leaves together to build a nest. It also uses materials like thread and wool to sew the leaves. This is why it is called the tailor birds. The beaver birds use its beak to weave pieces of leaves, grass, or twigs to build a beautiful nest. Beaver bird's nest. Penguins live in a very cold places since it's different to find twigs, grass or straw in such place. Penguins collect stones and pebbles and make their nests. How do birds fly? Most birds can fly, but birds like ostrich and emu cannot fly, so they are called flightless birds. Birds fly with the help of wings. Wings are attached to the body with strong muscles. These muscles help the bird to move its wings. Flapping down, flapping up, gliding. The fly, a bird moves its wings in upward or downward direction. This is called flapping the wings. Flapping the wings. Birds use air to fly sometimes when the wind. Birds do not flap their wings, they just stretch their wings and move along with the wind. This is called gliding. Birds that can fly have light bodies because they have hollow bones. They also have a special shape to the body like an aeroplane. Thank you.